All right, y'all, we got one right here, y'all. We got one here. Pick, Shakedown Racing. Is getting the clear. Pick is getting the damn clear. Getting the damn clear for Wicked Bird. Getting it clear from damn Wicked Bird, y'all. We'll see how it works. If you want to ride on this one, should be a damn good one. Oh, clip, y'all. Oh, clip. And the bird. Oh, clip in the damn bird. All right, who you got? Who? Ooh, you already tapping on it. You tapping on it. Tapping out. You gonna make him tap out. All right, let's see. God damn it. Wicked Bird. Yeah. Wicked Bird got the clearing.
Fucking A.
You think Wicked Bird gonna clear?
No.
Oh,
I mean, well, yeah.
Whichever one
Wicked Bird ain't giving the light back tire or nothing like that.
Head up clear.
He's got clear.
Bird got to clear him. Bird got to stay off of him.
Oh, motherfucker, right there.
God damn it, boy. Wicked Bird and the full clip, y'all, coming at you. Bird got to clear the clip. Bird got to clear the damn clip, y'all. We'll see. He ain't hater, y'all. He ain't hater.
No.
Next time moving forward. Over there moving forward.
He ain't hater, y'all. All right, y'all, here we go, here we go, here we go. Shakedown, Pick in the full clip. Going up against the King Hater himself, Wicked Bird. For the hometown action right here, y'all. The Bird has got that clear, the full clip, y'all. We'll see. Let's see what happens. And get paid, y'all. All right, y'all, Wicked Bird got to clear him, y'all.
All right, who's on your Wicked Bird? Who wants to see Team Racing win?
Boy, it won't nothing to see, y'all. It won't nothing to damn see. Pick left first. Pick left first. And the Camaro gets the damn win, boy. Shakedown, just shook down on motherfucking Wicked Bird, y'all. He shook down on King Hater. And King Hater smelled like he lost his motor. Somebody lost his motor. I smell some oil.
Baby, got that muck. They better leave us alone.
275s against like a 34-inch slick.
Oh,
that
Lord.
should not happen.
It should not happen. Well, you know what? It won't happen no more.
That's right.
That shit will not happen no damn more, will it?
Hey.
That race is dead and stinking. And so is Wicked Bird motor. Y'all saw that, right? Wicked Bird hurt his damn motor now.
You heard the motor?
Yeah, he heard the damn motor.
He might pull that bitch up again.
Ooh, he did. You smell that oil down there? I did.
That bitch go up again.
Oh, wow. Oh, man. Every damn time I come to the DMV, I got to sit over here and wait for this motherfucker to get back to his damn trailer. Because he done whooped somebody's ass. Watch out, y'all. Full damn clip done it a motherfucker again. Full clip done it again.
Taking on the Cincinnati Mustang out there in the left-hand lane.
Man. Pick, before you say anything, how come every damn time I come to the damn DMV and that race go down, I got to be sitting over here waiting at y'all damn trailer for you to get back?
Okay, can I answer your question with a question?
Yes, sir.
How do you like your chicken cooked?
Somebody told me you had something special over here to eat. What is it?
Yes, sir. We got wicked bird. We got fried eggs. We got toast. We got 3 more pieces of bird with onion coming up.
Oh, y'all got
If y'all want some birds, just come on around here in the full clip trailer.
Exactly. Y'all stupid as hell. You had that motherfucker on roll, didn't you? He had that bitch on roll.
I don't know if you good luck or what, but you just keep on coming up here. Every time it's sweet. It gets sweeter and sweeter.
Lord have mercy, boy.
He supposed to clean you. You clean him.
God damn, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey, a retarded chicken didn't know whether to run in a circle or run up the dime. Hold on.
You did your damn thing, dude.
You feather.
Oh, feather! Alright, y'all. Full damn clip takes the damn win. A full damn clip takes the damn win, y'all. We did it the damn thing.